happy Monday. Welcome back. I hope everyone is having a fantastic start to your week. And again, thank you for being here. I do appreciate it. If you are new, please consider hitting that subscribe button. We do tons of unboxing, such a wide variety of boxes here. I love doing giveaways, giving back to you guys. And as always, please do, if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below letting me know what you think or just how your day is going. I love hearing from you guys. As you can see from the description, we have a new subscription to unbox to our channel. I am super excited. It's not just new to our channel, it's a fairly new subscription box, and it is the Love Care box. What is super awesome about this, I'm going to tell you a little bit about it and then we'll get into it, is it says it is a vegan self-care box for scent lovers with dry skin. And I think it is super awesome. They do only send full-size products. They do have two options. You can get the Love Care box, which is the one I have here that is 5 to 7 full-size items, or you can get their Love Care kit, which has 3 to 4 full-size items. And it will include handmade goodies like soaps, body polish, body butter, candles. It says to excite your senses, heal your soul, and embrace your life. All products are natural or organic, vegan scented treats to soothe your dry skin, created in-house or curated from other picky artisans. And it is free shipping, so that is awesome. And your first box when you order will arrive in 3 to 5 business days. It is super fast. After that, they do ship their monthly boxes out around the 18th of every month. And let's see. Now, for the exciting part. The regular price for the Love Care box is $39.95. That is the one where you receive 5 to 7 full-size products. However, I have a promo code for you guys that you could get the Love Care box for only $29 a month every month. Now this coupon or promo code is Southern Mom 29. I will put all of this down below as well as a link to their Cratejoy site. But that coupon code is only valid for the first 29 subscribers who use it. So the first 29 people who sign up using my code Southern Mom 29 will receive the full-size box, the Love Care box, for 5 to 7 items, normally $39.95 for only $29 a month every month with free shipping. The Love Care kit is normally $29, so you would be getting the bigger box with more items for the price of the smaller box every month with that code. I don't get anything from it, so it's just for you guys, so feel free, you know, if you want to use it, it's for you. Like I said, I don't get anything from it, but like I said, it's all good for the first 29 people who use that code. All of this information will be down below. Like I said, the Love Care box, 5 to 7 full-size items, normally $39.95 with that code 29 with free shipping, and that will get you that price every month, not just your first month. And then their Love Care kit is $29 every month for 3 to 4 items with free shipping. So let's get in here. I am like super excited to dive in and see. It came a couple of days ago, but most of you guys know that my husband is gone during the week. He's only home on the weekends. So when he's home, we usually take that time and, you know, we have family time. So when it came in, I was like, oh, I want to open it, but it was Saturday. So I've held off. It did come in like an outer white packing envelope type thing. I did take it out. I haven't peeked, so I'm super excited to get in here and see what is in here. So this, I do believe, but hopefully maybe there's a card or something, but I do believe this is the March 2019 box. So let's open it up and see. So we have we do have a card. Okay, and this is the March 2019 box, and it looks like the theme this month, the scent, I guess is how they go by theme, is cherry blossom, you guys. I love cherry blossom. So yay. And this box is gorgeous. The inside of this box is beautiful. It's like spring garden party. So we do have it here. It's taped up. So let's pull it back. Looks like the items are listed on the card, so we will reference that. Ooh, this looks pretty. This looks so pretty. Okay. Oh, it smells good. So here's what we see. All right. I'm going to grab the card here. And first thing I'm seeing right here on top. Oh my gosh. First of all, this is gorgeous. Okay, so this is a cherry blossom handmade vegan soap. It's 4 ounces. It smells fabulous, but you guys look at how gorgeous. Like, it's a bar soap, but do you see that detail? That is so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Okay. This is an $8 value, a creamy and moisturizing soap bar made in-house, especially for dry skin. 100% handmade. Dry thoroughly between uses. Enjoy this natural and beautiful bath treat. Oh my goodness, y'all. That is like the prettiest bar of soap I've ever seen. And it smells so good. I love cherry blossom. It's one of my favorite scents. So, yay. All right, and then let's see. What are you? Ooh. This is LUVCARE, LUVCHEA. LUVCARE is their brand. So when it says in-house and stuff, this is their brand. But this is a cherry blossom body butter by LUVCARE, 7 ounces. This is a $15 value. Our body butter is handcrafted with love and deliciously scented with a sensual mix of floral fragrances to welcome springtime. Natural ingredients. It says includes wooden spatula for easy application. So it's right here, so you don't have to like dig down and get it like all under your nails. Let's see. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. And I can look at it and just tell. Oh my, okay. Like, this is like seriously like for real a body butter. Which now I definitely understand why they included the spatula, because I'm like rubbing and rubbing and this is what I'm getting. Oh my gosh. That like melted into my skin. Oh, and it smells so good. And you can even see it like left a shine, like it sunk into my skin, and my skin is so soft. And even though it has that shine, it does not feel greasy. It just feels ultra soft. Oh, y'all. Okay. And the ingredients for this are shea butter, coconut oil, tapioca powder. It does have fragrances, olive oil, and castor oil. So it's very minimal with the ingredients. Oh, and it smells so good. Oh my gosh. So the whipped shea body butter, again, in cherry blossom, to go with our cherry blossom soap. I still can't believe how cute that soap is. All right, so then we have, ooh, this is a matcha green tea face mask. This is a $19 value. Green Tea Detox Facial Mask by LUVCARE. It's 2 ounces, unscented, 100% vegan ingredients. Clay mask formula to gently exfoliate, deeply purify, and removes impurities from your skin. Leave skin soft to the touch. Includes wooden spoon. So I was wondering, there are two spoons in here. So one for the body butter and one to mix the face mask here. That is awesome. I'm so excited for that. And let's see what else we've got. Got something here in like a, this is just cute packaging. It's like an egg carton. Right here. These are bath bombs. And let's see, Life Around Two Angels bath bomb. They're obviously 2.8 ounces. It's a retail value of $5.98. The ingredients are rich in vitamins like magnesium to relax your muscles and pamper your skin. I need that for sure. And let's see, it's cruelty-free, made with love, 100% handmade, all natural ingredients, phthalate-free, made in USA. All right, let's give these guys a smell. Oh, that one smells, oh my goodness. This one smells amazing. Oh, and that one smells so good too. And I can kind of see through the packaging. You see, it's almost, I don't know if those, I don't want to unwrap it, but I don't know if those are like little polka dots or, but it's cute. And this one is like, I could tell it's like red or pink and white, like swirled looking. But they both smell, this one smells really fresh and almost kind of like the ocean in a way. That smells so good. This one I think this is more along the cherry blossom scent. Those are so cute in the packaging so they don't get messed up. I love that. Love it. All right. I'm liking this box, y'all. This is awesome. Okay, so then we also have two pack of French lavender sachets by LUVCARE. It's $4.50. It says lasts forever, hang in the closet as a natural moth repellent, place in a drawer as an air freshener or insect repellent, place inside the pillowcase for relaxing sleep. And if I didn't say it's $4.50 for the 2 count, I don't want to like open it. And I like that it's not an overpowering lavender smell. It is a relaxing, calming lavender. It's not like bam in your face. It's just enough that you smell it and you kind of go, oh, which we all need to do, right? So, let's see, and it looks like we have one more thing wrapped up right here in that cute little chevron. This is like a wax paper bag, but it's like chevron. That is so cute. Sorry for the noise. Ooh, these are goodies. So it looks like we got some suckers. These are from Yum Earth, so they're the organic suckers. We have Googly Grape. We have Perfectly Peach. Wet Face Watermelon. Pomegranate Pucker. And Strawberry Smash. And then we also have some caramels here. It looks like they're vanilla caramels. Look at those. Coconut milk caramels. A delicious sweet treat made with 30% less sugar than other candies. No high fructose corn syrup, dairy-free, gluten-free, soy-free, all natural, kosher, vegan, non-GMO, and organic. Awesome. So yay. So we got some goodies and we have that amazing body butter, you guys. I just cannot get over how soft my skin feels right here and smells. Oh, are you kidding me? And then we have the gorgeous bar of soap. Like, it's almost too pretty to use, but I'll use it. The 2 awesome bath bombs. They both smell fantastic. The lavender sachets to put, you know, and I had never thought to use lavender sachets as a moth repellent. That's a really good idea. And then the green tea, the matcha face mask. So I am super excited and I really enjoy this box. I think it's fantastic and a great value, especially considering it is a vegan and all natural skincare product box. So let me know what you guys think down below. And like I said, I will put a link to their Crate Joy as well as that coupon code Southern Mom 29. So the first 29 people that sign up can get the full size, the Love Care box with 5 to 7 full size items every month for $29 with free shipping. So I hope you all enjoyed and have a fabulous day. I will see you guys with the next one. Bye.